Understanding brooding, dive into its meaning. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the word brooding. It's a term that appears quite often in books, movies, and everyday conversations. But what does it really mean? Stick around, and by the end of this video, brooding won't be a mystery anymore. Brooding has its roots in the bird world. When we say a bird is brooding, it means she's sitting on her eggs, keeping them warm until they hatch. It's a time of waiting, expectation, and intense focus on the eggs. When we move away from birds and into the realm of human emotions and behaviors, brooding takes on a more figurative meaning. Here, it describes a person who is deep in thought, often about something troubling or sad. A brooding person might seem distant, lost in their own world, or perhaps a little moody. You might have seen characters in movies described as brooding. They're the ones gazing into the distance with a thoughtful or melancholy expression. To help cement your understanding, let's look at some examples. 1. After the argument, Jake sat in his room, brooding over what had been said. 2. The sky was dark and brooding, hinting at the storm to come. 3. She had a brooding presence, always deep in thought. From these sentences, you can gather that brooding can describe both a person's mood and the atmosphere of a place. Understanding synonyms can help deepen your grasp of a word. Some synonyms for brooding when referring to a mood include reflective, contemplative, melancholy, pensive. These words can be used interchangeably in many contexts, but remember that each has its own nuances. There you have it. From birds to deep thinkers, the word brooding has a fascinating range of meanings. We hope this deep dive helps clarify things for you. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its richness and depth. So, the next time you come across someone looking distant or a dark, overcast sky, you'll know the perfect word to describe it: brooding. Happy learning!